Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Air fryers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best air fryer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Bella 2.9 QD Manual Air Fryer. Easy to use, features simple knob controls specially designed for hassle-free, easy cooking. Feeds 2 to 4 people, up to 2.5 pounds of food, in just minutes. Simply fill the cooking pan, set your desired temperature and time, and you're done. 5-in-1 multi-cooker, air fry, broil, bake, roast or reheat meals for your friends and family. Get creative from breakfast, to lunch, to dinner and desserts. We've even included a recipe book to help you get started. The possibilities are endless. No preheat needed. Using circular heat technology and its 1400 watt heating element, this air fryer quickly make crispy, evenly cooked meals with no preheat waiting time. Satisfy your cravings in less time than it takes for your oven to preheat. Fry but make it healthy. Bella air fried French fries have 88% less fat and 65% fewer calories than typical fast food restaurants. Ditch the greasy food and unpleasant odors without compromising any crispiness or flavor. Fast food favorites without the extra fat or calories. Easy to clean. Its PFOA-free non-stick cooking pan and crisping tray are removable and dishwasher safe for easy and fast cleaning. Specially designed compact size easily fits any kitchen counter to keep your kitchen clutter-free. Number 4. Chefman 2-quart Air Fryer. Supreme space saver. Spacious 2-quart capacity is housed in a sleek, narrow design to keep its footprint on your countertop small. The TurboFry air fryer eliminates the need for extraneous pans and appliances, eliminating clutter and maximizing functionality. Healthy cooking. Say goodbye to excess oil and fat, and hello to healthy, irresistible cooking. Enjoy restaurant favorites on a budget by buying in bulk and frying from frozen. Using little to no oil, the TurboFry air fryer is your secret weapon to making delicious equal healthy. Safety first. Use the rubber handle to effortlessly glide your fry basket in and out of position without ever coming in contact with heated elements. Gain peace of mind with power and heat indicator lights, great for cooking with kids and avoiding accidents in general. Time and temperature limits keep you safe from overheating hazards. Easy cleaning and storage. The TurboFry air fryer features a dishwasher-safe cooking tray and basket, so you can cook, enjoy, and even clean up as simply as pushing a button. The sleek, space-saving design also makes for a beautiful addition on any countertop, but also stores easily for later use. Resources. CTL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 1000 watts/120 volts, RJ38-2 LMV3. Number 3. Magic Bullet Air Fryer. Perfect timing, icons with times and temps for popular foods like fried, chicken wings, and vegetables. Wide range, set temperature anywhere from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to fry a variety of foods. 60-minute timer. Overcooking is a thing of the past with a 60-minute dial timer that activates an auto shutoff as soon as the timer is up. Crisp and tasty. The crisping plate makes perfectly crisp results for any type of food with little to no oil required. 2.5 QUARTS, personal sized and perfect for up to 3 servings of your favorite air fried snacks. This compact air fryer is perfect for apartment living and dorm life. Number 2. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Now enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. Cord length, feet, 2.6. The unit will need time to preheat before coming up to temperature. We recommend that you preheat the unit for 3 minutes before adding your ingredients to achieve the best results. Dehydrate, create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks pounds. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Dishwasher safe parts, easy to clean basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack. Number 1. New Wave Brio Air Fryer. Make adjustments on the fly. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly. Starting the cooking process over is not necessary. Brio's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. Brio's cool white display is easy to read in any light or no light. Healthy fried food and easy cleanup. Brio uses superheated air and an efficient airflow design to cook crispy, delicious fried foods without the guilt. No more messy oil, added fats, or calories. Brio allows you to air fry all your favorites even from frozen, without defrosting. The ultra non-stick air circulation riser is great for grilling and air frying. The premium stainless steel reversible rack allows for multi-layer cooking. All are dishwasher safe, and the cleanup is a breeze. 100 pre-programmed menu presets and conveniences built in. Brio is programmed with 100 pre-programmed menu presets for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more. It also has additional 50 memory slots where you can save and recall your own favorite recipes. It's the perfect combination of capacity and versatility. Perfect for busy households on the go. Linear thermal, linear T technology. Fine-tune your own temperature settings from 50 degree to 400 degree in precise 5 degree increments. Patented linear T technology executes the set temperature accurately throughout the entire cooking process by continuously monitoring temperature fluctuations and making constant power adjustments every second to maintain the set temperature to ensure perfect results. Unlike the primitive methods of turning the heater on and off, chef-inspired features, functions and recipes. Every feature and function of New Wave cooking products are created and rigorously tested by highly trained New Wave chefs and R&D team. We obsessed over every detail in pursuit of best taste and performance. Get inspired and confidently create your own masterpieces. Brio is engineered to outperform your expectations. Whether you are cooking an appetizer, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, we have the perfect chef-inspired recipe for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.